I'm Kira, I'm a student and designer, and I got to share my piece at MakeFashion Edu. The theme of my piece was the stars and the night sky, and just overall just things to do with astronomy. My bracelets, I wore them along with my skirt and top. They were made out of clear acrylic, and we engraved them and cut them to have a lace pattern on them, added batteries and lights to make them glow in the dark. I had to come up with my design sketches for it, so after I did that, I brought it into the space, and me and other people worked together. We came up with different ideas, and then we just picked the one that we thought would be the best and put it into action. I wanted bracelets that would comment my outfit, because my shirt didn't light up at all, so I wanted to have something closer to my upper body, to have something to glow there. And so I sketched it out on pencil and paper, and after I was happy with the design, I brought it in, and I went through 3 or 4 different ideas about how I could bring the bracelets to life. And after evaluating them, I decided that cutting clear acrylic and melting and bending it was probably the best way to go. There are many different tools here that can help make ideas come to life. Before I knew about this place, lots of things, if I had thought of my idea, I could have never brought it to life. There's just so many supportive people and so many helpful tools here. I just couldn't have done it without it. I would recommend for other people to go to Fuse33 because their team is so supportive and there's just so many helpful tools there. I just wouldn't be able to do it without them. I guess my favorite part would probably have to be going out on the runway, just seeing everyone being so supportive and everyone cheering me on. That was probably the best part out of everything. Yeah, so while I was there, I met some really great people and they gave me a boost of confidence, and I wouldn't be able to do anything, basically anything without them.